guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm Brianna. Today we are doing another wig unboxing. We are, of course, from Luv Me Hair. I think I'm addicted. I done bought two already. That one right there in the corner and then this one. But we just gonna talk about this one today. We're gonna ignore her. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it. We already know what the box look like. This is a headband wig that I decided to do. It's in Jerry curl, and I want to say I got 16-inch. I never do, well, I might go to like an 18-inch, but for the most part I stick with 16-inch hair for anything I do. Same thing, we got the wig cap, we got our little pouch. The little Luv Me Hair clip came with it. A edge brush came with it. The edge to do your baby hairs and edges. More bobby pins. Some tweezers. As well as the wrap for your hair. I'm sorry, for your baby hairs. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm really excited. I've been really wanting a curly hair wig for a while now. So I'm really excited for this. I was so excited when it came. I did open it just to see it, but I try not to mess with it too much. I did not do the whole styling it or anything like that, just because I wanted to be able to do a true unboxing on camera. So let's go ahead and put the wig cap on. I did slick my hair to the back already and kind of did my little baby hairs. I did a little something to them. Not too much. So let's go ahead and put this on. It's so tight. This thing is tight. Now with the headband wig, we're gonna put a headband on. So we don't want to cover, we don't want to bring it all the way to the front. You don't want to bring the wig cap all the way to the front. And honestly, I'm not even sure if you need to wear a wig cap with the headband wigs. Oh, I also got 5 headbands as well. So I'm going to show you guys those in a minute. So we got our wig cap on. Make sure the hairs is all the way in there. Right? Ooh. You know, this little hair on the side always popping out on me. My little hairs on the side, they don't never want to stay in. Okay. So this is the bag that I decided to keep the headbands in. They gave us 5 of them. They're really cute. I really like them. So we got an army fatigue headband, and then we have this one that's really cute. That's pretty cute, that pattern. We have a cheetah print one. Now I really love, I like cheetah print. So I'll probably wear that one. I'll probably put that one on tonight. We have this mustard and blue floral one. Really cute. And then the last one is just a mustard, more mustard than blue one. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So that's 5 headbands. I'm thinking I'm going to go with the cheetah print just because of the black and gold combo I got going on. So I'm gonna just stick with that. This is how it looks. I do not have a name for her yet. It smells pretty good. Pretty good. I do not have a name for her yet. She's really pretty. This is like a Jerry curl. It does have the headband in the front, and then just unsnap it. It has the combs on the inside as well as the comb in the back. So let's go ahead and put you on. What we gonna name you? You need a name. What you want to be named? Oh, it's 3 combs in the middle, on the inside. What you want to be named, girl? Ooh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, I like her just like this. This is really cute just by itself like this. Like, this is cute to me. Kind of maybe center it. Oh, I like this. Oh, yes, honey. Now, you can leave it just like this. just put it on, leave it just like this. You know what, I'll try it on with the headband too so y'all can see it. So just in case somebody wants to just leave this curl pattern, if you want to leave just this curl pattern right out the box, that's cute. Oh, this is cute. I like it. Let's center this too. Oh, I like this. I like this. Now, I don't think I like this pattern with the headband, with adding a print headband to it. Girl, stop it. This is, oh yes, I'm gonna love this. This is like perfect for spring and summer. This is awesome for spring and summer. I love this wig. I think this might be my favorite one. Now, I was looking on the website. And the other girl who bought it, she actually sprayed it with a little bit of water and a powder, and used a powder brush and just brushed it out. Now I'm debating. I bought the wig because of her hairstyle that she did when she sprayed it and then powder brushed it out. It was really cute, so I was like, oh, I gotta get that wig so that I can do it like that. But now I love this curl pattern. Let's see, because y'all know I gotta wear my glasses, so let's see how I look with my glasses. This is, oh my god, this is cute. I love this. I just like it just like this. This is too cute. Now I'm trying to decisions, Brianna, decisions. I think I'm gonna do it because that's what I initially was going to do. I think I'm gonna do it. Now this is just water and Jamaican black castor oil mixed together. That's it. No conditioner, no nothing like that. Just those two things. I'm gonna spray it and then I'm gonna brush it out. All right, let's see. Oh, come on now. Hello, wake up. Oh, I know you are. There we go. All right, let's see. And hopefully I don't ruin my makeup. Oh, but I love it just like this. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Ah! Make sure you secure your wig. Oh my gosh. I'm such a klutz. And I was just talking about the combs. But did you, I guess that's a good thing why you shouldn't wear a cap. Ooh, it's not moving. Ooh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Once you put them combs in, it ain't going nowhere. Now let's try this again. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's see. Uh-oh. Did I brush it too much, maybe? Oh no, I didn't brush it enough. Maybe I need to finger comb. Let's try finger combing it, maybe. Okay, I think I like it better with the finger combs. When I finger comb it out. Yeah, I do. It's really soft. Like the hair is so soft. It really is. And then maybe pull it back a little bit. All right, now let's try it with the headband. Let's see if I like it. All right, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, see, I like this texture better with the headband. Now, there it goes. I like this texture better with the headband. It's giving me like Lion King, wild animal. I might wear this on my Valentine's in-home date nights. Like, yes, wild. You can like, somebody had it like this. They had like over, hold on, let me see how they did this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, girl. Okay. Like they did like the over part, like the side part type look. Okay, we can work with it. We can work with it. Come on, curls. This is so pretty though. Oh, I love it. I really do. I would, out of all the wigs, I think I would very much recommend this one. I love this one. If you are a curly hair person, I would highly recommend this wig. I have a scrunchie here, so let's put it into a pony. Put this top part into a pony. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm in love, y'all. Oh, I'm so in love. Hold on, let's get this texture over here the same as this texture over here. Yes, I'm in love with this. Yeah, I love this. I love this a lot. And then just shake it loose. Whew. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this a lot. I'm about to go look at Marquise and be like, babe, what you think of my hair? This is cute. I really hope that it goes back to that first texture. I love the first texture more than I like the brushed out texture. So I'm hoping that I can wash and condition and it curls back up. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Luv Me Hair did amazing. It is so soft. Like, I highly recommend it. If you are a curls girl, even if you're not, step out of your box and get the wig. Honestly, you look good in it. I know that's right. Right? Okay. But yeah, so this is the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Also hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications for all my future videos. Thank you.